Hello, today we'll take a look at the SR100 Plus soundbar. It was sent to us as a free test sample for you to see. We'll start with the unboxing and see where it leads us. Just for the sake of letting you know, the soundbar is 34 inches wide. We can see a power supply which is packed in a separate box and the soundbar itself with the remote control on top. And at the very bottom there's the rest of the stuff. A Toslink optical cable which we'll use for connecting the soundbar to the TV, though you could also use it with other devices that lack an analog port. Toslink is great because you won't lose any audio quality to the cable. A manual is expected, then there's also a 3.5mm stereo analog cable for the equipment that is without a Toslink port, plus an auxiliary cable with RCA connectors. There are also screws and dowels in case you want to attach the soundbar to a wall. No need to go to Home Depot. A standard looking power supply and a remote control. When it comes to the soundbar, it is a lot lighter than you would expect. Only around 1.5 kilos. Since there aren't any scratches, I think it's safe to say that the packaging is doing its job. There are two speakers and a passive radiator on each of the sides. There's also a display and the buttons in case the remote control gets busted. On the back there are mounts for the screws, so there would be less of a hassle. As you can see, there are 40 watts of power, multiple ports for different plugs, and of course Bluetooth. The soundbar itself looks exquisite even though it costs less than a JBL Bluetooth speaker. It is very easy to turn on the soundbar. I have already done it and I won't be showing it in the video as it would be tedious. In case you do run into problems, leave a comment below and perhaps the good people of the community will band together to help you. Anyway, now a small sound test to see the difference between the built-in speakers of an LG Smart TV and this here soundbar. You don't have to use it with the TV, you can just hook it up to your phone using Bluetooth or even your PC or laptop. Despite its small measures, this soundbar sounds quite energetic. Of course, there won't be much when it comes to very small frequency audio. I'm afraid that is something you're just gonna have to get over. What I found to be a thing worth mentioning is if you're listening to loud audio, then the soundbar will move around from all the vibrations. There are two solutions to this problem, either mounting it to the wall or not listening to loud music in the first place. That will do it for now. In the near future you will see the full sound comparison between SR100 Plus soundbar and an LG TV. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And in the description you'll find a link to Amazon where you can read more about this soundbar and even order one if you fancy it. Goodbye.